Hey there. Thanks for tuning in. Have you ever wondered when working inside of a Google Sheet that contains data, whether or not you're able to hide that data from another user? Why, you bet there is. So as you can see here, I've got an example Google Sheet pulled up with some fields in it. Some names, phone numbers, email addresses, their website, and website passwords. Well, as you very well know, there are certain times that there's information we don't need to be shared with other people who might need access or to be able to view our worksheets, right? So how do you do that? It's real simple. So first of all, let's go ahead and share the sheet. And I'm going to go ahead and choose another Gmail email address that I have an email account on. So we'll choose me. And I want to make me just a viewer. Okay, and I'll go ahead and send that out. And notice here it says example Google Sheet. So I'm going to go ahead and pull it up in my other account so I can see that it exists. See, and there's the example Google Sheet. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this one. And just so you can see what it looks like, you can say, but Greg, it shows the field for the passwords and their phone numbers, and you wanted to hide that. Well, let's go back over here. Let's choose the fields that we want to hide. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the phone number field, which is column B. And I'll go ahead and use the control key, and we'll select website password. And then we'll right click while both of them are highlighted, and we're going to choose to hide the columns. Now, it only hides them from the opposing user. You can still, if you're the author or the creator of the sheet, you can unhide those fields. But let's go back over here to me where that was really important. So let me pull up my second account. Right? I'm going to go ahead and refresh this. And notice here, you can see there's little arrows in there, right? But as a viewer, I cannot uncover those fields. However, since I am the author, coming back over here to the original Google Sheet, when I click on these little arrows up here that's over it, notice that it'll expose that. So there you go. It's a quick way to be able to hide select fields from people who do not need to see them, who are merely viewers on that particular sheet. And again, this only applies if you set permission to view only. Hope that helps you out. Have a great day.